Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss and then I will teach you guys on how to create a program that will ask the user to give inches value, and then it will convert into feet or fits equivalent using Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. In the notepad, we have here import Java .util, a library file for input-output. Class main, the name of our file is main.java. Static scanner console, we create an object here. Instantiation, new scanner, public static void main, and then we have here two variables, double inches and result. And then we have here new line, system out print, give inches value, console next double, it will hold the value in our inches, result inches divide by 12. New line here, the inches equal to result to fit, and then we close. Let us go with our browser. Basically guys, I'm using online GDB to run our Java program. Let us click the run button here. Okay, give inches value, let's say we have 24. So 24 inches is equals to 2 feet. Okay, another example, let's say 38 inches. 38 inches is equals to 3.17. no? We round it up to feet. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on inches to feet in Java programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.